Right, meanwhile, details coming in. Let's take a look at, remember, apart from the cabinet, what about the speaker, the leader of opposition, the deputy speaker? All that and more for the first Delhi Assembly session. Vijender Gupta getting his due. Vijender Gupta is set to become Delhi Assembly Speaker. Vijender Gupta, remember, among all of these MLAs right now, has possibly the most experience when it comes to Delhi Assembly. He's been a former leader of opposition when it comes to Delhi Assembly, has been a senior veteran leader of Delhi BJP, and at a time when the Bharatiya Janata Party unit of Delhi was perhaps at its lowest. In some way, Vijender Gupta kept the boat floating, would keep addressing press conferences, bring out documents, whether it was targeting Aam Aadmi Party or the Congress Party as well, then in government. So Vijender Gupta, given his experience, age, of course, and has been and his association with the BJP, gets to become the Speaker for Delhi Assembly. Mohan Singh Bisht will become the Deputy Speaker as well. So this is the latest that is coming in. Remember, this Delhi Assembly session could be very fiery because remember the BJP, in fact, Prime Minister Modi himself and senior leaders have said that we will release the CAG report details of, as he said, Sheesh Mahal. He said about the liquor excise policy scam allegations. There could be CAG report details that could come in as well. And therefore, possibly, with the remaining about over 20 MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party, it could be a showdown expected in the Assembly as well. Piyush Mishra joins me for the latest on that. Piyush, what about the leaders? Have they started to leave, started to arrive at the Ramleela grounds? Because at this point, when we are looking at Vijender Gupta, I think in many ways it's a due. He has experience with Delhi Assembly, but to become the Speaker, of course, will be a big position.
Well, certainly it will be a big position, and sources are suggesting that there are two names those are doing rounds. One is Vijender Gupta's name and another one is Mohan Singh Bisht's name, and these two are experienced leaders of BJP. And if you talk about Vijender Gupta, he has been three-time MLA and has been leading the charge for BJP in Vidhan Sabha and has got a lot of administrative experience, so he could be made Speaker. If you talk about Mohan Singh Bisht, he is a five-time MLA, the senior most MLA in Delhi Vidhan Sabha, and sources are suggesting that he could be made a deputy speaker. But that can be done only after the official announcement is made. Remember that the leaders who have to take oath, they will reach here at around 11 a.m. Before that, the official dignitaries will arrive, and the Karyakartas and people of Delhi who have been invited, even they will arrive. Sources are suggesting that after the appointment of speaker and deputy speaker, there will be 7 more official positions in government. So in total, 9 official positions, which includes speaker, deputy speaker, chief minister and 6 ministers. So 9 MLAs of Delhi are the one who are going to hold important portfolios in Delhi government.
So that's a big decision. Vijender Gupta, Mohan Singh Bisht. Those who may not know about Mohan Singh Bisht, 67 years old. He's the one who won from Mustafabad. Many said that was very interesting, very important that Mustafabad constituency went to the BJP, given the sort of communal political calculations there. So therefore, in many ways, the BJP recognizing all of these big players as well. And Vijender Gupta, given his experience, age, all of that has become, and likely will become, the Speaker, is what the information that's coming in. Deputy Speaker's position going now to Mohan Singh Bisht.